Hi, computer parts learning lesson.
Wow!
Let's go.
No! Hurry up!
First, monitor. Second, computer casing. Computer speaker.
Nice.
Power supply.
Modem.
Oh, yes.
Motherboard. CPU. CD drive. Internet cable.
So nice.
Keyboard. Hard disk. RAM. ROM. Headphone. Computer fan. Mouse. Webcam. Wi-Fi router.